Hello, welcome to Maktabi. My name is Sofia. We're here in the heart of Dubai World Trade Center. Maktabi actually means your office in Arabic, and this is what we are about, to provide office solutions to entrepreneurs, startups, SMEs, but also large corporates, along with the business support through our partners. I came across Frigo and I met Mr. Ibrahim during one of the events that we organized with the intention to bring our members together for them to network, but also startups to pitch to investors. And it was truly inspiring meeting Ibrahim and hearing his story, how Frigo came up, not only for what the product is, but the intention and the purpose. And it's definitely an honor to have the vending machine here in our space.